Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great Monday. Today I am sharing a video about Bible journaling, which is a really cool way to artistically express yourself as you go along reading the Bible. I do want to announce I am going to be doing a giveaway of one of these Bibles. Number one, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and number two, you just got to leave me a comment on the bottom of this video. In the comments, just let me know if you want the Bible in English, or if you read English, it will be King James Version. Bible in Spanish, then it'll be Reina Valera 1960. So go ahead, subscribe, and leave me that comment so you can be nominated. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so this is how the beginning of the Bible looks like. These are gelatos that I bought at Michael's, which are really nice paintings dedicated for this kind of page. This is a cardboard I'm putting in between just to protect the other sheets. I am blow drying my sheet just to protect it and dry it faster than air drying. That's me painting, and they have tons of different little things you can add on the pages. Little embellishments. And this is me. I've already done the face, the hair. Just try to work very gently with the pages. And you could tell you can kind of remove a little bit if you've over exaggerated on the paint. Making a little flower crown. That's her top shirt. She's got to have a little sweater, something. And that's just giving it a 3-dimension, and I'm putting the highlighted verse on the very end. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you can be able to share with me the journaling that you can do, and you can share that on my Instagram account, where you can share that picture. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so you can obtain that giveaway. And just remember to leave a comment with that, along with that, so you can be nominated. Well, I hope you have a great day. Stay humble. Live for Jesus Christ inside out. All right. Be blessed. Bye.